everyone, I'm starting my vlog. So I'm starting a wedding planning series. It's episode 1, and today we will go to see a wedding venue. So me and my fiance are not living together until the wedding, which will be at Mai. And now I'm going to pick him up. He's working until 5. So I have some things to do, and I want to show you all the wedding planning and how it's going. We already saw like 2 venues, and I will insert all the videos of them here. One of them we didn't like so much, and one we did like because it's in our price range and it was very beautiful. So I'm sorry that I didn't film it. I will insert it here. And yeah, and I will show you today's venue too, and we will see how it goes. I wanted to show you my lip combo that I use. It's the best, right? So I use a lip pencil from MAC. I don't know, it's Strip Down, maybe yes, it's like brownish, and then I put over Summer Fridays. Okay, so I arrived to his work, and I'm waiting for him, but he will come out only at 5, and now it's like 4:30. Yep. So I wanted to show you my wedding planner. I do it in Milanote. Wait a minute, I will turn my camera. Our wedding. So here is everything in Hebrew, so I'm sorry for you not understanding it, but here I have my appointments at the wedding venues, when we will go, where we will go, and all of that. This one, so I have all the wedding venues that we thought we will visit, but we didn't visit all. The things that are in red, you can see we canceled because we didn't like it, we didn't like the prices, and we didn't like that they wanted us to bring too much people, and we wanted a small wedding. The green one, it's what we visited. There is everything that we visited just 2. Blue one, it's the appointments that we have, and yellow, it's somebody that didn't call me back, but they did actually, so we need to change it to blue, and we have an appointment with them this Friday, and today it's what day is it? Tuesday. Okay, so then we have all the things that I need to do. We thought that we will do maybe in villa. We will take like a villa and rent it for a couple of days and do the wedding there. So if we will do that, I'm just checking. That's what we need to bring there, like flowers and candles and all the dishes and the furniture. So that's main things. Here we have the prices of the venues that we already visit and menus. Here I have just a reminder about things. So we are getting married like officially online, because we live in Israel, and in Israel you can marry just by religion, and we don't want to be married by religion, because we are a believer in Christ, not an Orthodox Jews. So that's very different, and we will do that in online. You can do it just to fly to another country and do it, but we didn't want to waste our money. This is our vision board, our colors that we want to do, and very beautiful. I'm very excited about that. So here we can see our budget, our guest list. It's already like very finished almost, I want to say. Here we have our mood board. That's the main interesting thing. So dresses and shoes. I don't want to do heels because I'm very tall. These the thoughts about the hair look, and here it's some thoughts about makeup. Very settled, very beautiful. Here is nails. Then we have food, and that's only the reception food that I thought we can do. But in Israel, the venues are giving you already the reception food, so I don't think we'll do that. That's the hair that I want to do for my second look. Here's some ideas for the dress second look. My fiance wants to do this suit. Here's the idea of how the venue should look. I hope that we can do that because in Israel the options are very tight. So yeah, here's are some ideas for fun things like initials cocktails and flower confettis and the guest books and a man that plays a saxophone on the dance floor and a champagne tower, like all that stuff. I really liked like this for the kids that they can color. That is how I want our photos to be. It's more documentary than is posing. You can see that it's fulfilled with a lot of emotions. And that's how it should be. Yes, so let's go back a minute. Okay, that's the points that I should ask the wedding venues for me to not forget. This is how I want the ceremony to go. We have 2 violin players, and I believe that we can do that. And we have a boy that will look like that. It's my fiance's little brother. He's like 6, I think, so it's very good. And actually our friends have a very small little cute girl that can do that, so it's good too. And here we have all of how I want the ceremony to go, points, what will go after what. Yeah, we don't want to do like a traditional Jewish wedding with all the ceremony stuff, but it will be a little bit of that and a little bit of Christian things that we do original in ceremonies. Here is a DIY board that all the things that we can do DIY and not spend our monies on, we can order in Temu, and it should be fun and successful, I believe. This is all the things that I need to book, like a videographer, photographer, social. Then we have all the makeup and hair. It's all the people that I saved, and I already talked with them, and I actually already wrote all their prices. And here you can see the PDFs files. It's all the prices that videographer and photographers gave to me. I'm very glad that I did that so soon, because I think the vendors, it's something that is very stressful. So that's actually very good. And here is how I want the bridesmaids and grooms to look like. I think we will go with the black. I like it. It's very like elegant and nice. And here I saved what we can do for idea with them. Like, I think it's more for the girls to do flower arrangements, and maybe will be how I will to propose to them to be my bridesmaids. Yep, so I think that's pretty it. Yes. So now we will go together to this venue. I already changed my clothes. I wanted to be more presentable. Yeah, so I will show you my outfit outside. I think if it will not be too cringe and I will show you that later. So that's what I was wearing when I went to the wedding venue. I don't know where that's from. I think it's from Shein or Shane. I don't know how to say that. This sweater is my brother's. I don't know where it's from. I think maybe Castro. It's a shop in Israel, just in Israel, I think. The belt, I don't know where it's from, sorry. And the jeans is from Castro. Castro, it's like H&M, but a little bit more expensive, I think. That's the way to say it. Yep. So forgive my mess, but that's what I'm wearing. I don't know where that coat from, but you can tie it like here, and that's very beautiful. And I have like a maybe sweater. It's maybe just a shirt, I don't know. But it's like striped, and it's from American Eagle. and I have the jeans from Castro. Yeah, and I curled my hair, and actually I didn't like so much my makeup today. I don't know, I feel like it's cakey, but maybe it's just me. Yeah, we are going to college, and I have just one class today, and then I will go to church and I will sit there because our church is small in the city of Fula in Israel, and I will just sit there and do my homework because it's very near. And tomorrow we are going to the last wedding venue, so I will take you along. Good morning, everybody. We are now going to our last wedding venue. We have an appointment at 10:30. Now it's 9:15. This is my driver. Yes, I'm a passenger princess. And we will see you there.
I've been walking around, waiting for you to shine. People passing me by. Does it feel like I belong? Trying to keep it alive on this hungry side for a better confirmation. Yeah, I'm heading for the station. I can feel love is real. Now you try. If you're willing to just come along with me, we can feel no more lies. A simple dream of you and I.
So we finished our meeting. We didn't like so much because it's too small, and the wedding venue that we was looking on earlier, it was much better and in much better style that we look for. And all the meeting we were talking about things that not so related, just related to our life and not to the wedding. So it was very strange. And then we went to eat, and we took this Dubai something treatment. It's like chocolate and strawberries and kadaif. It was very good. Yeah, and now we are going to church. We have church today. Yes. Hey guys, so today it's Saturday, and we went on a photo shoot together with my fiance and my brother. He's the photographer. You can see it there. Okay. I will insert some video if he will send it to me soon enough. And yeah, that's how we end the vlog. So thank you for being here with me and spending the time of planning the wedding. And I will see you in episode 2.